What if you could avoid typing again and again the same chunk of code if you needed in multiple parts of your program? Wouldn't it be awesome? Functions are the solution to the above problem. Functions are a set of instructions which perform a specific task and can be reused multiple times. The specific task can be adding two numbers or finding the greatest number in the list. To give an example, why we use functions can be understood from the below snippet. If we want to perform addition of the variables listed above, we need to write similar statements 3 times. Functions enable us to perform similar addition operation without writing the same add operation repeatedly. Let's explore how. Functions in Python are written as described below. Def is used to declare a function. Function name is the name of the function. A function may take in parameters, or may not. Parameters consist of variables used by the function, like the two numbers to be summed. Statements are the operations which we need to perform. And return statement marks the end of the function and can be used to return the output. You can avoid putting it if you don't have to return any value. We will be learning more about parameters down the road. Let's begin by writing a simple function. That's it, we have written our first function in Python. This function takes in no parameters and prints hello world every time it is called. So, now if I want to print hello world multiple times, I don't need to write print hello world again and again. I can just call the above function. We will learn how to call a function soon. Let's write a function which takes in parameter and returns something. The above function takes in two parameters num1 and num2 respectively, stores the addition results in the variable sum and returns it. Enough of defining functions. Let's see how we can use them. To use the functions we have defined, we need to make a call to the function. Calling a function uses the following syntax. That's it. To call any function, we only need to specify its name and parameters inside brackets, if any. Now, can you guess what we have been doing since the beginning of time when we were writing print? Some crazy stuff going on here? We were actually making a call to the print function and passing a parameter that we wanted to print out the screen. Print is a built-in function. There may be hundreds of lines written in Python to make it work. If there were no functions, we might have been writing all those lines again whenever we needed to write something to screen. Let's see calling a function through a few examples. The above will print hello world on the output screen. We can call the function as many times as we wish and it will print hello world the same number of times. Let's explore how we can pass parameters and perform operations on those. We are calling the add numbers function here and passing two numbers to perform addition operation. We called the function twice. The output of the above snippet will be Functions are reusable blocks of code written to perform specific tasks. Functions in Python are declared using the def keyword. Def is followed by function name followed by the function's parameters. The function body contains the statements to be executed. Function functions can be called by their function name followed by brackets and parameters if any.